Okay, for question 52 here, we want to rationalize this denominator. So we want to think about what we can multiply the top and bottom by to make the bottom a perfect square. So the 3, we want to multiply it by 3 to make it a 9. So we'll multiply it by the square root of 3. And then n cubed, well, we want one more n in order to make it even, because when the exponent is even, then it's a perfect square. So if we just have one more n there, it'll become n to the 4th, and that'll be what I want to do. So I'll multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 3n. So now at the top, I get the square root of 24n. And on the bottom, I get the square root of 9n to the 4th. So for the bottom, the square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of n to the 4th is n squared, so I get 3n squared on the bottom. And on the top, we want to look inside and see if there's any perfect square factors of 24 or n. 24, 4 goes into 24, right? So that means that I can pull out a 4, and then the square root of 6n would stay inside. So the top becomes 2 square root of 6n, and on the bottom we get 3n squared. And that is your answer to number 52. If you have any further questions on this, please let me know. We can talk about it further.